So I will say it again. If Chiwenga does not intervene, and if the military does not act, it is done deal. Mnangagwa will push through Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, and once that happens, meaningful opposition will disappear. What will remain are token MPs from a few urban areas, but no real opposition. Even urban councils, which have largely been in opposition hands for 2 decades, will be taken. Zadapina mashoko woni mikono wokuchimono achekana Chiwenga akaseta action. The military kaseta action. Zimbabwe zvadhakwa. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Aunedrambira chiti. What you are witnessing is Zimbabwe coming full circle into a system where outcomes are predetermined, where elections are a formality, and where analysis becomes redundant because the script is already written. If General Constantino Chiwenga does not act, and if the military does not act, and this constitutional amendment bill is passed, that is the end of Chiwenga's path to the presidency. He will not become president unless he or the military moves to stop this bill. They two are inseparable. They work hand in glove. If that does not happen, then forget about a Chiwenga presidency. Power will remain within Mnangagwa's camp, and after him, it will simply pass to someone else from his faction. Mark these words. If this amendment becomes law, General Constantino Chiwenga will be relieved of his duties, and what we call a journalism, he will be fired. That will be the end of his political career. That is where we are going. Good weekend. Enjoy the sun if you are in England. Enjoy the long weekend if you are in South Africa. If you are in Zimbabwe, do what you have to do. The days ahead are dark, and the life will be economically brutal. Prepare yourself and your family because the road ahead will be not easy. Doma developments aripo. Pina comment section medu tsofungira enyuma tudi pamsoro mashoko achingona msangano subscribe or like achito on the bell icon.